Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. Yes, I know you all miss me and I miss you too. And in today's video, this my little neighbor came to me and said, Auntie, please can you make my hair? I'm going to ride jump. Please, I want you to make something for me. I will use it and go and ride jump. And she has this old wool that she has used before. She asked me to help her use it to make a multicolored hair. So right now, I didn't really know what else to do. I said, "Oh, waiting be my handwork if it's not to make hair." So we now started off. So I started by using my leave-in conditioner to moisturize her hair because her hair is actually virgin hair. So after moisturizing her hair, we now started off, guys, and the hair is looking so lovely already. This is me fixing in the wool just to give her, this simple student kind of look. And guys, the hair was actually going well with the very interesting story that she was telling me. Oh boy. Guys, story now. Story is always sweet. And I know you said you like story. I know you want me to tell you what she was telling me, but I can't really remember all the gist because the gist was so many. So guys, at this point, she wanted me to mix the hair, like, to give it a different look. So we have to now use this purple to make the front side, like to make the middle part of the hair, in order for it not to look too childish or too, hot. So guys, this is me trying. So because wool wasn't very long, so I have to join them, join in order to make it longer, and so that it can get to the same length with the other ones at the back. So guys, this is me doing what I know how to do best. Guys, I enjoy making hair. Actually, the only problem I'm having is I don't really have much time in my hands. If not, God, I love making hair so much. In fact, it's one of my God-given talents. I didn't actually learn how to make hair. It was one of the talents that God gave me and mixed the other talents. You know what I'm saying? So guys, this is me running the last part of the hair, and guys, the hair is looking so nice and her face has actually come out glowing, and now to the glory of God most high. Hallelujah, somebody. So guys, this is just what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do well to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share our video. Don't forget to share our video. You know how to do it now. I love you guys so much. Keep watching and keep supporting your girl anytime, any day. I love you all. Mwah.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my